In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in Smartsheet, Workflow Builder 2026. We'll move from opening Smartsheet to applying a ready-made workflow template, so you can get results quickly without building everything from scratch. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to smartsheet.com. This keeps you on the official site and ensures you're using the latest interface. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken right to your home screen. If not, sign in using your usual method. Login is straightforward. Enter your credentials or use your organization's single sign-on, and then continue. If your account uses extra security checks, complete those prompts and proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on your home area. Think of this as your command center. You'll see recent items, favorites, and navigation on the left. If the left panel is collapsed, expand it so you can quickly jump to the right place. Next, click All Workspaces on the left navigation. This shows every workspace you have access to, which is helpful if your organization organizes sheets by team, department, or project. Pick the workspace that contains the sheet you want to automate. Inside that workspace, select the sheet you want to work with. If you're unsure which sheet is correct, look for the one your team updates most often or the one tied to the process you want to streamline. A quick tip here. Take a second to confirm the sheet has the key columns your automation will likely reference, such as status, assigned to, or due date. That makes templates fit more naturally. With the sheet open, look to the top menu and click Automation. You'll see options including building a workflow from scratch, managing existing automations, and browsing templates. To move faster, we're heading to the Automation Templates section. Templates are curated starting points that already include a trigger, optional conditions, and actions, which saves time and reduces setup errors. Browse the templates and choose one that matches your goal, such as sending alerts when rows change, creating reminders before due dates, or assigning tasks when a status updates. Click the template to preview its logic so you understand what it will do. When you're ready, click Use Template. Smartsheet will load the workflow builder with the template pre-filled, showing you the trigger, any conditions, and the resulting actions. This gives you a clear visual of how the automation will run, based on your sheet's data. And that's it. You went from opening Smartsheet to applying a template-driven automation in just a few clicks, using Workflow Builder 2026 to simplify the process and get you moving faster.